Some people crochet, I hand-hewn wood. Oh, that was a good one. My recent mantle project, I had to make new wood look like it was hand-hewn, that it was chopped with an axe from one solid log. So back in the day, they'd take their round log and they'd go about 2 feet and they'd cut a line. And then they'd cut another line and then they'd just start working it this way. And they'd keep doing that until they got a flat surface. And then they'd turn it. Flat surface, turn it, flat surface. I wanted to mimic that on my new wood. Took my hatchet. So Charlie says, you're a butcher. Do you link your own sausage? So again, you know, they chop sections and then work their way. So I thought I'll make a line. And depending on how rustic you want it, you could do more or less. So I do a line there and then we'll do a line here. Straight down, so I've got that, and then I would come in, if this were a log, and start chipping away. So I want marks like this. And I'm sure as they were chopping away, they went one way, came back the other way. I don't know, I've never hand-hewn it, I've just seen some of it. I mean, it's rustic. And then I take my hatchet and just kind of scrape off the curlies. Depends again on how distressed you want it, but I'll just take, you know, a corner or whatever I'm working with. Do some light chops, some bangs, bada booms. Obviously wouldn't have this straight edge on a log. I'll just come in and chip up the edge a little bit. Do the same on this side. I want it to be rough. And then, I mean, it's hard to see. I mean, there's a lot of texture in there, but it looks like this was made with an axe, you know? And then when you stain it, all these cut marks are going to be nice and dark and deep. You'll see. Yeah, without having a 200-year-old hand-hewn beam, and I wouldn't have been able to hollow it out, so I had to essentially make a faux mantle box that goes over top of the existing mantle, but to give it that hand-hewn look. Turned out great, and it just adds so much dimension, texture. I love projects like this. Again, the perfectly imperfect. It's funny that destruction is an art form. Distressing. You know what it is, right? Oh. So I married an axe murderer.